Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing DIY scalp serum for hair growth. So please keep watching so you can enjoy all the benefit of this amazing hair growth serum. The first thing we're going to need for this recipe is aloe vera. Aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzyme, which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. The next item we're going to need is ginger. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp. As a result, ginger stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair roots and follicle. Additionally, the many fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals present in ginger can strengthen hair strength, which prevents hair loss. So let's leave this a little spin. So now let's take a strainer and make sure that we don't have any little pieces out. So let's get all the juice out that we can, because we're gonna need every little drop. Let's add 1 tablespoon of MSM. MSM is known as a sulfur-rich compound with anti-inflammatory properties. There is also some research on its effectiveness with hair growth. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil can make hair stronger and less prone to split ends. This means the hair that grows won't be slowed by losing hair that becomes damaged. Almond oil contains high amount of vitamin E, which it is a natural antioxidant. Now let's add 5 to 10 drops of essential oil spearmint, which can stimulate the hair follicle and increase blood flow. A healthy scalp is an indicator of healthy hair. Improved circulation and oxygen distribution are what helps to strengthen hair and help it grow more quickly. Let's add 1 teaspoon of black cumin seed oil, which is thought to naturally restore hair growth in thinning areas, tend to its high concentration of thymoquinone, which is a powerful antihistamine that is often prescribed to alopecia patients to help them regrow hair. And get this, it's actually an essential oil, so which means it's very potent and very strong. So now let's add 5 to 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. You guys know rosemary is one of my favorite. I think I use in almost every hair growth recipe because, like peppermint essential oil, rosemary is also used to promote hair growth. It strengthens circulation, and as a result, it could prevent hair follicle from being starved of blood supply and dying off and leading to hair loss. So to prevent hair loss, most definitely rosemary essential oil, and that's one of the reasons why I love it so much. So now let's mix all this up and let's put it in an amber bottle. I put it in an amber bottle because amber will protect all the essential oils from losing its potency. So because this recipe is going to be used more than one time, you're going to store it in the refrigerator and the top shelf where it doesn't get much light or behind something. So amber bottle is definitely a must, because otherwise all the essential oils that we have put in there can definitely be diluted over the days that it stay in your refrigerator. Therefore, an amber bottle dropper is most definitely recommended. And after I've been rocking these braids all week long, now it's time to wash this hair. So let's get these braids out and see what we got here. Not many knots. My hair is very soft at this time. I haven't had much product on it, so very easy to detangle. Even though I don't usually do this, this is not an every hair wash kind of thing, but when I have braids and things like that, I really like to detangle my hair before I apply some kind of mask. Sometimes I do, sometimes I definitely don't. So let's get our dropper and let's shake it, because since we have a liquid and oils all together, usually the oils will sit on the top. So make sure that you're shaking it as you're applying it, that every now and then you close it up and you shake it up again, so you can have an evenly amount of liquid and oils in the dropper. So make sure that you massage your hair, make sure you massage your scalp so you can get all the benefit of this hair serum. So all the product can be distributed in the scalp, and you can stimulate the blood flow to the scalp so your hair growth can be a lot better. Whatever leftover you have, which you will, store it back in the refrigerator for next use. You should have at least 4 to 6 use on this serum, depending on how much hair do you have. If you have thinning hair, you're probably gonna have a lot more use, but store the rest back in the refrigerator, and every time you use it, it's gonna be 45 minutes to an hour, and you can go around the house, do all the things you have to do while this is working. The good thing about it is it doesn't have any bad smell. It's kind of it's very refreshing. So leave it down for 45 minutes, wash your hair, and style as usual. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, leave your comments down below, and thank you. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.